doors open?
Doors open, wide open.
So, some here to get baptized?
Yes,
Yeah. Really?
What's going on, bro? How you feel?
Greetings in the name of
North Miami Beach.
Let me get in here and see what's happening. How many painters I have here? Good, that's good painting. Excellent. The color we're gonna paint the main auditorium. Where you see the columns and the woodwork, that would be the color of cotton. Probably need some brothers to get in the middle to help. Up, brothers. Come on. Here you go. You're more than welcome, brother. God bless you.
All the other ones are kids.
Yeah. Counting all these? Yeah, we're gonna get rid of all this panel and all this type of tile. Yeah, we're gonna tile on the floor.
You want to put tile?
And here?
Yeah.
So all we have to do is the administration building and the school. Rip all the carpet up over there. So, is anybody still over there at the school? Tomorrow, we just have to get the carpet up in the administration building and the children's building, all carpet, all stairs, everything. And we start taking this place apart piece by piece. You know, so we'll be here tomorrow, say like, 11:30 would be good. You want to get your spirit, just go tomorrow. Other than that, and if that's 33 people, so